Hey, aloha folks, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mark, Mr. Dividend Investor. Today, just wanted to give you an update on my M1 Finance portfolio. Markets was pretty okay this week. We had some greens, so nice to see my portfolio back in the green. Hopefully next week we'll see a little bit of green and some red so that I can get some more stocks in cheaper prices. But other than that, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, hit that like button, make a comment. It really helps me out. But basically what I'm doing is M1 Finance. I put about $50 a week to see how my money will grow, investing mostly in dividend companies. Basically I want to show people that by picking the right companies and consistently putting money, even though the markets are very volatile, that if you just stick it out, which I have been sticking it out, then eventually you'll see your income grow. So my basic goal is to have this portfolio as my passive income. This is one of the many stuff that I plan to use, so that when I retire, then I'll have some income coming in. Other than that, let's start looking at the portfolio. So right now the value is about 725. This week I was able to get 9% for the month. If I click on this one, for the month I'm down 13%. For the quarter I'm down 26%. For the year I'm down 55%. Pretty much all times down for 55%. If you look at for the week, my real estate sector down 14%. So good to see that it's all in the green this week. So I got realtor income, which is one of my favorite ones. Public storage, DRL. So this one I'm up 14% this week. For bonds, for this week, I'm pretty much up on majority of them. B&D, and so this is up 2%. ETFs, up 11% this week. I got SPHD, VOO, so we had some good gains this week, so which is great to see. Financials, I'm up 6%. So I got some Bank of America, JP Morgan, MasterCard, and Visa. For technology, so I got Apple and Microsoft, and in this sector I'm up 7%. And then for my growth stocks, I'm up 11%. So I got Tesla, Amazon, Google, and Facebook. And then for healthcare, I'm up 6%. So I have Abbey, Johnson & Johnson, UNH. And then for my industrial, so I'm up 8% here. I got Boeing, Waste Management, 3M, UTX. So, and then for the next one is utilities. Utilities, I'm up 20% in this one. I got NEE, AWK, and Southern. And then for my consumer, I'm only up 1% here. I got Costco, Coca-Cola, and Target. Coca-Cola, I'm up 11%. The other two, I'm pretty much down. And then for my communication, I'm up 7% on this stuff. I got Disney, Verizon, and AT&T. And then for my other one, which is my consumer, this is McDonald's, Home Depot, and Lowe's. And this one I'm up 18%. And then for my materials sector, I'm up 6% on this one. I got SHW, PPG, and APD. Up 6% on this one. And then for my energy, I got Chevron and Exxon. I'm up 14% on this sector. I think, I did this one, yeah? Yeah, I did that. So, now if you look at the activities, let's look at my dividends. So, I've been having pretty much dividends almost every day. Again, with putting money into this account, I should be able to see these increase as I continue to deposit money for deposits. So I've been consistently making deposits, as you can see. I made one huge deposit on March 12th. But pretty much the rest of the time I'm trying to make at least 25. My goal is 50, so I'll probably add a couple more, so it ends up 200, at least 50 a month, 50, yeah. There you go. So hopefully at some point we'll get back to all-time highs, but it's good to see that this week we're in the green. We're still in the red, but that's okay, because my main focus now is to just continue building this portfolio and see how it ends up by the end of this year. Other than that, just wanted to let you know that if you want to decide to invest, I use M1 Finance. There's a link in the description. I also use Robinhood, and there's a link in the description. If you use my link for Robinhood, you and I will get a stock. If you use M1 Finance, using my link, you and I will get $10. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. I'll check you guys later. Please be safe out there. And then take care. All right. Aloha.